So hi everyone, it's me Parsa again, and for today's video is another day, and it's our first long ride as a family. So kabahan talaga ako nitong aking asawa kapag magdadrive siya, no, aabot talaga ng 200, 180 to 200. So parang lipad-lipad na yung aming um, takbo. So syempre kasama ang aking anak, but before that always talaga namin, before namin magbiyahe is always pray, and nire-remind ko talaga yung aking asawa na mag-ingat kasi hindi lang siya yung pasahero, no? Buong pamilya. And again, naintindihan naman niya, but sabi niya sa akin na inaantok daw siya kapag mahina yung kanyang biyahe. So again, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much everyone, and God bless.